I'm working on my Corvette again today. I'm doing stuff to my HVAC, but since I have the thing apart, I'm gonna work on this display here. This is a repair that a lot of people have done, and I have easy access to it, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm set up on my train workbench, so that makes it pretty easy. I have to do some soldering, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some soldering. So first, start by removing these 4 screws. Then the box just splits into 2, and you have to remove these 4 more screws here. Then the circuit board can come out, and we have to work on these 8. They're 8, I don't know what they are, resistors or printed circuit boards, transistors. So you have to resolder the side of each of these. Success! That feels so good. See you soon.